Hey everyone, welcome to music class. Here is your tutorial for writing Stranger Things on Google Songmaker. So I'm going to start you all off with our first part. I need you to go to settings, please. On your settings, you're going to go ahead and change a few things. So go to settings, you're going to add 8 bars up here. It used to be 4, but I want you to add 8. And the last thing I want you to go is over here where it says range and octave. I want you to put that up to a number 3. Once you're there, you go ahead and click the checkmark box and we're back to what we need. The last thing I want you to change is the tempo. So the tempo is usually like 160, put it up to 180. And the final thing is that you're gonna come over here and change the piano or whatever the preset was, go ahead and put it to a synthesizer. That way you can go ahead and get that Stranger Things sound. So here's the first thing I want you to do for all your drum beats. You're going to take the first section there, it's a white section, then you have a gray section, repeated by a white section, repeated by a gray section. We're only going to put drum beats on the white sections, and they're pretty simple. On the first 4 boxes, you're going to put circles. On the second ones, you're going to put triangles. All of the gray is blank, and then you repeat it again on the white. Circle, 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 triangle, 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 and you continue on like that. So if you scroll all the way down, only the white sections have that pattern of circle, 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 triangle, 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 triangles, and then gray is blank, circle, 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 triangle, triangle. And we're doing 8 bars, so that's all that looks like. Awesome. Once you have your drums done, you go ahead and come back here, and we're gonna, remember I asked you to put 3 octaves, that way you have plenty of space for all the music. The next step you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start adding the chords. So the chords are going to start here with the red. That is your do. That is going to go all the way until, I'll count with you. So you're going to do 1 section of white, red and green, 1 section of gray, red and green, 1 section of white, red and green, and then here's where it changes. You're going to do 2 on the gray, and then we're going to switch. So one more time. You're gonna go red, green, red, green, red, green, all the way. So that's 1 white section, 1 gray section, 1 white section. And then when you get to the gray, you're only gonna do 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you're gonna go up to your next one. So once you finish with that step, let's go ahead and move on. Whoopsie. Let's go ahead and move on to the next part. So in the middle of that gray box, you're gonna have a switch up. So for 4 more boxes, you're gonna have it go to orange, 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 blue, 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 and then you're gonna go up to the last part, and the last part's gonna take you all the way to the end. So the last parts are gonna be, what color is that? It's gonna be yellow and pink. So yellow and pink all the way to the end. So once you're done with that, you should have your drums on the bottom and your chords on top. So let's listen to what that sounds like. Go up, up, and that finishes all the way to the end, and it repeats. Perfect. Now, if you have the drums and you have the chords done, now you can move on to the melody. The melody is kind of tricky, but it's definitely easy once you understand all the colors. So let me go ahead and take you back to the melody. So here's your patterns for the melody. The pattern is going to be red, yellow, green, pink, red, pink, green, yellow, red. And that pattern goes the entire time. Notice I don't have any spaces. There's no space that is blank. All of them have either red, yellow, green, pink, red, pink, green, yellow, red, yellow, green, pink, red, pink, green, yellow, red. And if you do that the entire way, that is exactly what you need to do. I also, since we added 3 octaves, I did the same on top. Another layer of red, yellow, green, pink, and there's no more red up here, but you can go ahead and just do the pinks. So pink, skip, pink, green, yellow, red. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it all sounds like. I did one over here already showing off with all your drums. So your drums are all done. On the white, you have the drums, the gray, you don't. I have my chords, and then I put my melody on top, and I did it 2 times. So here's what it sounds like. Here we go. Stranger Things on Songmaker.